I am so happy. I am very excited, my friends, from Shiba Inu coin because this is one of the unique coin, my friend, in the crypto market. In this time, they will completely on the trending and moving upward. The price is increasing. So therefore, I am so happy. I am very happy, my brother. Otherwise, my friend, all currency, my friend, were fails down, especially Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, Filecoin, Tron, and my friends, a lot of coins, my friend, were very badly fails down. But my friends, I can't expect from Shiba Inu to they will give us this type, my friends, view now. So my brother, in those days, all the currencies were very badly fails down. So if we predicate, so definitely we will better understand, my brothers, to an upcoming time. Can there is a chance so they will give you a profit or not, my brother? So don't worry, ho, my friends. If sometime absolutely a lot of coin were very badly fails down, but don't worry, my friends. So after a fail, absolutely they will take a very huge jump now. So therefore, I am so excited and I am happy to do this now. My brother Shiba Inu were fails down for my friends when my short time investor are starting selling. Otherwise, my friend, especially in one reason more, my friend, to in the start of month. Definitely in the start of month, every coin will fails down. So therefore, I will notify you to don't worry. I hope in upcoming time our the Shiba Inu will go on up and give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching. Holder, kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification.